Battle of Antietam by
Miranda.
Chandler.
Ready?
Alex.
Okay, so the Battle of Antietam started in September 1862 in Sharpsburg, Maryland, in Antietam Creek. It is also known as the Sharpsburg Battle. The Union commander was McClellan, and the Confederate commander was Lee. Other than McClellan, there was Hooker, Mansfield, Sumner, Burnside, and Porter. All had their own divisions in this battle. There were a lot of landmarks. A few are South Mountain Battle, the Drunkard Church, the Bloody Lane, and Burnside Bridge. Burnside Bridge got its name by Burnside sending over his troops over the bridge and then they kept getting killed, and then at the end they could have crossed the river because it was ankle deep, so they could have just crossed the river instead of sending all his troops over. And some people say that it is haunted because people. And then at the Bloody Lane, people have said it is haunted there too by seeing people walking in it. Even some people say they thought it was reenactors, but then they would just vanish in thin air. And then at Burnside Bridge, people have seen blue light moving around to the beat of a drum. So then they would just vanish, and then they would hear all sorts of things going on, and then it would just be nobody there. So anyway, the Union won the battle. At the end, the outcome of the battle was by accident. When a Confederate officer accidentally dropped a set of orders in the field, a Union officer found them, and then they were taken to Union headquarters and confirmed genuine by an officer who could recognize the handwriting of the general who had signed them. This gave McClellan a big advantage in being able to wrong-foot Lee, just for once. And at the end, the casualties on each side were 12,401 for the Union and a total of 10,316 for the Confederate. And the Battle of Antietam was the single most bloodiest day in the U.S.